Unveiling skincare secrets. Use a toner. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a skincare phrase that often pops up in beauty routines. Use a toner. What does it mean, and why is it important? Whether you're a skincare novice or a seasoned expert, understanding this phrase will enhance your skincare knowledge and routine. When we hear, use a toner, we're being advised to apply a specific type of liquid skincare product after cleansing our face and before moisturizing. Toners are designed to remove residual impurities, balance the skin's pH, and prepare the skin for the absorption of other skincare products. Toners have a multifaceted role in skincare. They can hydrate, exfoliate, or control oil production depending on their ingredients. Hydrating toners might contain glycerin or hyaluronic acid. Exfoliating toners could have AHAs or BHAs. And oil control toners may feature ingredients like witch hazel or tea tree oil. Using a toner is simple. After cleansing, soak a cotton pad with the toner and gently wipe it across your face, avoiding the eye area. Alternatively, you can pour a few drops into your palms and press it directly onto your skin. It's important to apply it while the skin is still slightly damp to lock in extra moisture. Not all toners are created equal, and it's crucial to choose one that's suitable for your skin type. If you have dry skin, look for hydrating ingredients. For oily skin, seek out toners that help control excess sebum. And if you have sensitive skin, opt for alcohol-free formulas to avoid irritation. We hope this video clarifies what it means to use a toner in the context of skincare. Incorporating the right toner into your routine can make a significant difference in your skin's health and appearance. So, find your perfect match and enjoy the benefits. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more beauty insights.